What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Live Wealthy Stocks back with another Moderna update video, ticker symbol MRNA. We'll take a look at how Moderna stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that I am looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what I think Moderna stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Moderna are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. First things first, great day for Moderna, up $7.08 for the day, which is 6.5%. Now, for those of you guys that know what happened, there's a reason for this, drop when, a lot of stocks were doing pretty well for the day. Actually, the Democrats got voted in, and as I had talked about, right, I was expecting a little bit of a pullback, as a lot of other people were. If that happened, we didn't really get that other than big tech stocks, so your Apple, Amazon, those were down, but also doing really well. And then we got the news that, the Capitol had kind of been broken into, or there were riots around it, or protests, whatever you want to call it. And that's where it led to this sell-off at, kind of in the last couple hours. But, I mean, if we take a look at Moderna, right, we went from 116. If I draw a line right there, it really nicely recovered, which I really enjoyed seeing. If we take a look at, the NASDAQ, which is the tech heavy index, as I talked about, right, down, was doing pretty well, but then tanked for the second half of the day, right, or in the last couple hours even. Same thing with S&P, fell in the last couple of hours. So when we take a look at Moderna, the fact that it not only fell, but also recovered in such a short amount of time, we love seeing that. So overall, great day for Moderna, up, down, then steady up, and I really enjoyed seeing that. Then down a little bit, bounce a little bit after the VWAP, and then we pushed up, came back down, and then pushed up. So another 6% for the day, up $7. Now, if you guys have seen my videos, you know exactly what I'm watching. If you want more of a detailed video on Moderna, including, revenues for 2021 and kind of the orders that they have, their technology. I made a video a couple days ago, a little bit longer of a video. This video is more of just a stock update if you hold stock in Moderna, what I'm watching for the stock. So feel free to check that one out, but for this one, we're going to get right into it. So if you guys remember, we're talking about a long time period where we could not break this line right here, right? This line that we have. Even yesterday when we hit it, we broke down, and I had talked about kind of two things that could happen, right? Either we trade in this little narrow range right here, drop down to as low as 101 again, go down, and then boom, we see a little bit of a breakout. Or let me draw a line here and I could show it better maybe. What we've seen for the past couple of days is we are making higher highs and higher lows, right? So the low of yesterday, we make a higher low. The high of yesterday, we make a higher high. Both of those show me that the stock is pretty strong. It was stronger than yesterday because it didn't drop as low as yesterday, and it went higher than yesterday, which is what we've seen in Moderna stock for the past couple of days. So every day, so from 1231 to 104, we went from 113.55, 113.63, 114.98, 116.93, and the lows also went up. So what I'm going to do here for us is I'm going to draw this line, and this line is really going to be crucial for us moving forward, because what we want is this pattern to continue, this trend to continue, and hopefully Moderna to take some time to consolidate and either push up, or just this slow grind up is also totally fine with me. I own shares in Moderna, and I was hoping for a great 2021, even before kind of this trend reversal happened. So the good news is we are getting that here as long as it continues to hold, and we don't break below this line, or if we do, that we close above it. That's the great thing. The other great thing that I really like seeing today, I've talked about this for a while now, what we see here was we would hit above the 55 EMA but couldn't quite close above it. We are now above the 55 EMA, guys, and that is great news because that 55 EMA is at $112. We're also above the 8 EMA at 115.60, which is great news for the stock as well. So what am I hoping for moving into the future? If we see a little bit of a pullback, right, we could drop to 115.60, but if we see an actual pullback, I don't think that that's enough of a drop. So we could drop all the way to the 55 EMA at 112.18 or near that. What I really want to see the stock holding though is this line right here. So tomorrow, you know, that would be kind of in the 111s and continue this trend up, right? Making newer highs every day, or at least not making newer lows and kind of following this line. And if we get that for another day or two, we could see a trend reversal, and we could see hopefully draw this other line at the top and hopefully see a little bit of a a move upward, right? A nice move for Moderna rather than the downward move that we've gotten used to seeing. So that's all I had today. Great day for Moderna. Watching for a bounce off the 8 EMA or the 55 EMA. If not, then for sure this line to keep this upward trend going of making a higher high, higher low. I'm personally watching for a push towards 145, hoping for that to happen sometime in 2021. Not saying it's going to take all of 2021, but my goal for this stock is to get back at 145, since I think that's going to be a resistance level that it might have trouble breaking, and then we'll kind of decide what we do there. So if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, comment down below what your thoughts on Moderna are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.